Good afternoon, children. Last class we have learned exercise 11.4 addition and subtraction, and today's class we are going to learn exercise 11.5 word problem. Your first problem: to reach an island, John travelled 6.5 km by a ship and 4 km 275 meter by a boat. What is the total distance he travelled? So a person is travelling by a ship few kilometers and by boat few kilometers. And we are going to find what is the total distance he has travelled. To find the total distance, we are going to add both the distance he travelled by ship, by boat, how much distance he has travelled, we are going to add. If we add that, we will be getting how much the total distance he has travelled. John travelled by ship. It is 6 km 500 meter. John travelled by a boat 4 km 275. We are going to find the total distance. So we will be adding it. 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 kilometers, 775 meters. This was the total distance travelled by John. Problem number 4. Anuj bought 3 liter 500 milliliter of a milk from a dairy and 7 liter 250 milliliter of a milk from a milkman. How much milk did he buy in all? So they are asking how much total liter of milk, how much the person has bought. So first we are going to write milk bought from a dairy. It is 3 liter 500 milliliter. Milk bought from a milkman 7 liter 250 milliliter. And we are going to find total liter of milk bought by John. For that we will be adding it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 plus 7, 10. So it is 10 liter 750 milliliter. This was the total liter of milk bought by John. And next problem I am going to teach is 7th problem. The distance between two villages is 26 km. Rahim walks 3 km 50 meter and then he takes a bus to cover the remaining distance. Find the distance he covered by a bus. So the total distance is 26 km. In that the person is walking 3 km 50 meter. Remaining how much kilometer he has to board a bus to reach the village. This is what we are going to find. The distance he covered by the bus. We are going to subtract from the total distance minus the distance he walked. So distance between two villages is 26 km. Here meter is not given, so I have used 0. Kilometer 26, meter not given, so 0, 0. Distance covered by walk 3 km 50 meter. And we are going to find the distance covered by bus. So with that we are going to subtract. 0 minus 50 is not possible, so from kilometer we are going to borrow. So 1 kilometer if you borrow and give it to meter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So from 1000 if you subtract 50, it is 950. So 950 meter. And 5 minus 3 is 2 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So it is 22 km 950 meter. So the distance covered by bus is 22 km 950 meter. And problem number 10. A tank was filled with 500 liter of water. A tank is there. Its capacity they have filled. It is 500 liter. In that during the daytime the water used is 19 liters 700 milliliter. What will be the leftover water in the tank is the question. So total liter we know, how much liter we have used we know. So if we subtract we will be finding what is the leftover water in the tank. Water filled in a tank is equal to 500 liter. We don't have milliliter, so I have used 0 in the place of milliliter. And water used during the daytime is 19 liter 700 milliliter. Now if you subtract 0 minus 700 is not possible, so from liter we are borrowing, so 500 liter will become 499 liter and 0 milliliter will become 1000 milliliter. So from 1000 if you subtract 700 it is 300 milliliter. 499, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 1 8, 4 minus 0 4. So it is 480 liter 300 milliliter. So water left at the end of the day is 480 liter 300 milliliter. So in this word problem exercise you have addition and subtraction problems alone. Whatever problems I teach to you, do it in your class work. Leftover problems, do it in your homework note. If you have any doubt in this exercise, you can ask me. Next exercise is 11.6. We are going to do multiplication. Before getting into the exercise, children, you just learn the tables. At least from 2 to 12 tables daily recite in the morning and evening. Then only it is easy for you for doing the multiplication. Exercise 11.6, problem number 1. Multiply 89 meter 33 centimeter by 8. So we are going to multiply 89 33 by 8. So meter, centimeter I have segregated and I have written 89 meter 33 centimeter. Multiplying by 8. 8 3s are 24, 4 carry over 2, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 26, 6 carry over 2, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 2 74, 4 carry over 7, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 7 71. So it is 714 meter 64 centimeter. So the next problem number 6. It is your 7 liter 812 milliliter by 16. We are going to multiply by a 2-digit number 16. Liter, milliliter I have written separately. Going to multiply by 16 in the unit digit. You have 6. First digit is 6. Going to multiply 6 2s are 12. 2 carry over 1. 6 into 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. 8 carry over 4. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 46. Multiplying by 1 you will be getting the same number. Leaving the ones place, writing the given number as it is 2187, and I am going to add 2. 7 plus 2 9. 8 plus 1 9. 6 plus 8 14. Carry over 1. 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12. So it is your 214 liter 992 milliliter. 8th problem, 12 kg 312 gram multiplied by 15. So kg gram, 12 kg 312 gram multiplied by 15. 5 2s are 10, 0 carry over 1, 1 into 5 5, 5 plus 1 6, 5 3s are 50. 5 carry over 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, carry over 1, 1 into 5 5, 5 plus 1 6. And next digit in the tens place is 1. Any number multiplied by 1 will be the same number. So writing 2 1 3 2 1 as it is, and I am going to add 0. 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 2 8 1. So it is 184 kg 680 gram. So I have solved 3 problems in the multiplication. Remaining problems is your homework. Sit and solve, multiply and see. If you have any doubts you can ask me. Thank you children.